Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important component of our blood system, which is the erythrocyte, or in other words, the RBCs. And here we can see a beautiful graph or picture of our blood. So, yeah, now get a smile. Okay, let's start. Actually, each millimeter of our blood contains about 5 million erythrocytes on average, commonly reported clinically in a red blood cell count as 5 million cells per cubic millimeter. Regarding the function of the RBCs, the main function actually of it is to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide, but in the form of bicarbonate, beside the hydrogen in the blood. Also, it gives the blood its reddish color. Talking about the structure of the RBCs, they can be categorized into four main types. The fat or disc-shaped cells pendant in the middle on both sides. So its unique shape contributes in two ways to the efficiency of oxygen transport in the blood. Also, the biconcave shape provide a large surface area for diffusion of oxygen across the membrane than a spherical one. The thinness of the cell enables oxygen to diffuse rapidly between the exterior and the innermost region of the cell. Now we are going to talk about the most important component of an RBC, which is the hemoglobin. A hemoglobin molecule has two parts. The globin part first, the globin part, then which is a protein made up of four highly folded polypeptide chains and four containing non-protein groups known as heme groups, each of which is bound to one of the polypeptides. Because oxygen actually is poorly soluble in the plasma, so 98.5% of oxygen carried in the blood is bounded to hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a pigment because of its iron content. It appears reddish when combined with oxygen and bluish when it is deoxygenated. Talking about the globule part itself, it is composed of two subunits, two alpha and two beta subunits. Here we can see the structure. Another important fact about the RBCs is that they can be replaced with new ones. And this all can happen with the factory of the RBCs, and which is the bone marrow that produce from about 2 to 3 million per second, which is a huge number.